come over here. (9.1) question number 18. Here has been said Adil's age is 30% of Shreya's age, and Shreya's age is 25% of Maria's age. If Maria is 80-year-old, find the age of Adil, and Shreya also find what percent of Maria age is Adil age. So to see 80-year-old is Maria, so 25% of Maria age is Shreya's age. So you can write Shreya's age is equal to 25% of Maria age is equal to 25% of 80 years old. That will Shreya's age will become 20. And again Adil age is 30% of Shreya age, so 30 by 100 into 20 you will be doing, you will be getting 6-year-old Adil's age. Now here it has been said also find what percent of Maria's age is Adil's age. Then you will compare, you can say comparison of Adil's age and Maria's age in percentage is equal to Adil age should be at the top, that means 6, and Maria is below, that is 80 into 100% you will be doing. And in that case what you will be getting is 3, and then after here 80 it will become 40, so 2.5, and then after 3 into 2.5 it will become 7.5, no 3 into 2.5 it will become 3 to 6, yes 7.5%. Got it, Nancy? Or I should explain by making? And did these three answer match? You understood? Answers also match? 26 at 7.5%
of Maria is Adil age, so that I didn't understood last line.
Yes, you can say the okay. Percent of Maria's age. You can write at last one. Adil age percentage in comparison to Maria. Adil age percentage in comparison to Maria is equal to Maria, okay, is equal to Adil age is 6, Maria age is 80. With which we are comparing, that will be at below into 100%. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now anyone has more problem in exercise 9.1 or in try this section of page number 120? Yes?
The question number 13.
13. Okay. Sorry. So you can see over here question number 13. The price of silver increases by 30%. Okay. And then it reduced by 10%. After increasing of 30%, again it get reduced by 10%. If the price of 100 gram of silver before the increase was rupees 45,000, find the present price of 100 gram of silver.
4,500, sir. 4,500.
Yes, 4,500. Yes. So what you will do is, at first you will find the percentage of now. Like if here you can assume 100 also or X also, anything. Okay. If you will assume, let the price of earlier be rupees. Okay, from here itself it can be found. The price of earlier, here you can say here 100 gram price. Already it has been given only, yes. So 30% increase and 10% decrease. Find the present price of 100 gram silver. So you can say after increment of 30%, price of silver will become nothing to do, simply you will write what? Rupees 4,500 plus 30% of rupees 500. Yes, become price of silver will become, yes, rupees 4,500 plus 30% of 4,500 when there is increment, okay, increment. Then how much it will become? Rupees 4,500 plus 30 by 100 into rupees 4,500. Sorry, yes. So 2020 got cancelled. 45 into 35, it will become how much? That will become rupees 4,500 plus here 0, then after 3 5 are 15, 5 carry 1, 4 3 are 12 and 1 13. That means rupees 1,350 will increase, and this will become rupees how much? 40 and 50, 5,850. Yes, this is when it increases by 30%. You can write again, when it reduces by 10%, then the price of 100 gram silver will be again. Okay, did I started recording? Yes. Yes, it is being recorded.
Yes, sir.
So again, price of 100 gram silver after deduction of 10% in price, deduction of 10% in price, okay, is equal to rupees 5,850, because what is now the price, from there the 10% will be reduced. So 5,850 minus 10% of rupees 5,080, then what you will find, that will become the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Further you will be able
Yes,
to
sir.
make. Okay. Any more problem?
Sir, make it a small.
Okay, small. Okay, I'll be making a small. This need to be solved furthermore. It is not that up to here only you will be also leaving. And while checking copy, I had found several students had left the gap. Over there, okay, next step only I had made. I had not made all the solutions. Next step I had made so that the person who had left may get the ideas how to make further. If you are not knowing, then simply you will ask me when you will get your copy returned.
Sir,
Okay.
question number
Before
14 I have.
exam, I had thought to keep, yes, question number 13.
14, sir.
14, okay, I'll explain that 14 also. And before your PT2, I'll be giving 2 days. Okay, I think something has been robbed, is it? So before
2 days
PT,
for what, sir?
I'll be giving 2 days for, okay, asking your doubt. That means on 4th there is, so on 4th also and on 3rd also, there will be only doubt explanation. So now I am rubbing this. If there is no any problem in 13, then I will be explaining you question number 14.
You know, sir, try this section of page number 120, sir. All answers are almost incorrect only, sir.
Okay, I will check that. If it is, then no problem. I will check it. I will say you whether all are wrong or not. After this, I will be going there. So let's see question number 14. In question number 14, it has been said the price of sugar decreased by 20%. The consumption also decreased by 4%. Find out what percent. Overall expenses has reduced. Now overall expenses by what percent it has been reduced, that you have to find. So here you can do it by assuming 100 also or X also. Like suppose I had assumed let the price of sugar, previous price of sugar be X. Let the previous price of sugar be X.
So take it 100, no sir, it will be easy.
That will be also easy. Okay, if you wish in 100, then 100 itself. Previous price of sugar be rupees 100, be rupees 100. Okay, and then consumption also will be taking 1 kg then, and consumption be 1 kg. Then expenditure becomes expenditure on sugar is equal to expenditure on sugar will become rupees 100 into 1, because 1 kg only it is used. So rupees 100. After that, here it has been said price also decreased by 20% and consumption also decreased by 4%. You can say when price decreases by 4%, then the price of sugar is equal to, or you can say the price of sugar after reduction of 20% in price. The price of sugar after reduction of 20% in price is equal to rupees 100 minus 20% of 100. And 20% of 100, all of you know, yes? How much it will become?
20.
80
20.
sir.
So you can say.
The answer 8 minus 20 is equal to
After
80.
subtracting, you will be getting, okay, 80. That is rupees
Yes.
80. It becomes when it is reduced by 20%. Now, you can say, now consumption after decreasement, okay, or reduction of 4% in consumption. The consumption okay, consumption after reduction of 4% in consumption is equal to 1 kg minus 4% of 1 kg. Okay, that will become, earlier it was 1 kg, and when it is reduced by 4%, that means 4% of 1 kg should be subtracted. 1 kg minus 4% of 1 kg. That will become 1 kg.
0.96 grams kg sir, 0.96 kg.
Yes, 1 kg minus 0.96, not 0.96, 0.04 it
0.96
will
will
be.
be final sir answer. It will be
Yes,
final.
final. 0.04 kg. I hope all of you know how to find 0.04 kg. How it will become 4% of 1 kg. Yes.
Yes, sir, 40
Yes,
grams.
sir.
That will become 0.96 kg. So you can say now Okay.
Yes, into 80.
Total expenditure, okay, on sugar after deduction in price and consumption. You say now. Okay, sometimes writing fluctuate. Okay. Now a total okay expenditure on sugar after sugar expenditure is now after deduction in price and consumption price and consumption. Of course, these statements are required. I had seen in several copy while checking they are not writing statements. So you should write the statements. Reduction in price and consumption is equal to, okay, now you will multiply rupees, how much it was, 80 into 0.96 kg only it is used. So with
Yes.
96 will be multiplying, it will become how much?
6.80.
0, 8, 6 are 48, carry 4, 9 it is 72, so 76.80. Then you will be writing percentage, in percentage you have to find, yes, so you can say what it has been said to find in percentage.
Decrease in expense.
Okay, so you can say overall decrease in what saying expenses percent is equal to, you can say now decreased in expenses percent is equal to now decrease, okay, DECREAS, decrease in overall expenditure percent, in sugar expenditure percent, not overall. Sugar expenditure percent is equal to percent is equal to, okay, so it is how much, earlier it is, so now decrease the amount you have to find, okay, rupees 100
Yes.
minus rupees 7620, rupees 100 minus rupees 76.80 by rupees 100 into 100%.
Yes, sir. It will become 23.20 rupees, sir.
Yes,
Into
while
what?
subtracting it will come 23.20 rupees, and 23.20 only will become the percentage, because
Yes.
this 100 it will be cancelled. So it will become, and rupees also in combiningly it will be cancelled. So it will become 23.8, sorry, not 23.8, 23.2%, or even you can write 20% also. Is this clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Needed to make a small, or you can make by yourself?
No, sir. We can make by ourselves and solve also.
Okay, so now I am not doing a small then. Okay. Any further problem? If not, then I will be going in page number 120, where okay, it was just said that none of the answers are matching.
Sir, I
And of
only
course,
said, sir.
yes.
Sir, my all answer are matched.
Okay, so there might be problem with Navnayana itself. Okay, because one answer matched means, okay, let me see either it is, or whose answer matched that is making wrong, or those whose answer not matched that is making wrong, that I will be watching. So, if anyone wants to take a screenshot also, then they can. Okay, it will be not adjusted properly. Now they can take it if it is visible. Is it visible clearly what I had written? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take the screenshot. It is 100. Okay. So now I'll be moving towards warm up exercise. Sorry, not warm up. Try this section. Okay, one number. Amit bought a bicycle for 2400 and sold it for 2100. Find the loss and loss percent. So loss is rupees 300 and loss percent will become 3 by 2400. That means 0 0 it will be cancelled, and 24 divide 300 divided by 24 it will become 1, and then after, okay, 6 will be there, then again 2, then 48, and then after there will be 12, and again, okay, how much? 5. So 12.5% and 300 is the answer, is it?
Yes, sir.
Then matching, Naveen.
Sir. Yes, sir. This matched, sir.
Okay, which not match then?
Sir, this 3 number not matched, sir.
Okay, Ravi sells his motorcycle for rupees 36,000 and incurs a loss of 10%. Find the cost price and loss percent. So just see, this is the selling price and 10% loss became. So what will happen? Cost price will become, here you have to assume cost price. Let the cost price be X, then you will write X minus 10% of X is equal to 36,000. So in that case, okay, cost price is 40,000 and loss amount is 4,000.
Sir, we
And the
can't.
match?
Sir, yes, that is, sir, we can't do like this, sir. We will find 10% profit in this one, sir, SP, then we will get CP.
No, no, no. SP 10% will not give the profit because this is only the 90% of CP.
Okay, sir.
Because after loss of this, so you will assume let the CP be X. Yes, or direct CP formula is also there, I think, that you
Yes,
can
sir,
apply.
it is
That is
there.
what?
100 by 100 minus
is-
loss percent into SP.
CP is equal to
100 by
100 by 100
100
minus
by,
loss
100 by
percent.
100 minus loss percent into SP, sir.
yes, minus loss percent into SP. Yes, this formula you can apply.
And sir, SP is equal to 100 plus gain or loss, sir, by 100 into CP, sir. Just opposite of each other.
Yes. Okay. So got it?
Yes, sir, understood.
Any more doubt to anyone in 9.1 or in this try this section of page 120?
Sir,
Four.
Yes,
Four. Four.
fourth number. Okay, so let's see fourth number. In fourth number, it has been said the cost price of 25 book is same as the selling price of 35 books. Find the loss percent. Now, what you will do, you will assume over here. Okay? What you will assume? Let the cost price
Price of one book
of
be 1 rupee.
one box be, okay, 1 rupee, one book be 1 rupee also you can take, or X also you can take. Okay. So what will happen? 25 books price will become
Yes, answer not come.
25x. Huh?
Answer, but answer it is
Okay.
not.
Answer not matching. Okay, I will say the answer. Okay, just for a second. There will be the loss of 10 books and out of 25, so it will become 40% is the answer.
Yes, sir. Match.
30%.
Match. Then how you are saying that answer not match?
But sir, in that place, sir, the CP will be 35, no, sir,
Just see.
because
You will simply assume like this. Let CP of one book be X or cost price of one book be X.
we can't take one, sir.
Okay, one only. One book be rupees 1. Okay, I had said rupees 1. Then cost price of 35 book will become how much?
35.
35, yes. And cost price of 25 book will be how much?
25 book will be 35. Sir.
25, sir.
No, sir, 35.
25.
Because it is saying, sir, that cost price of 25 book is same as the selling price of 35 books, sir.
Yes, so cost price of 25 book, one book cost price is 1, then cost price of 25 book will become 1 into 25. Isn't
No, sir,
it?
35, no, sir, because it is saying that it is same as the selling price of 35 books, sir.
Then same as the selling price of 35 books. So did we find selling price of 35 book?
We can find, you know, sir, by assuming one SP of 1, sir.
Is equal to
Now cost price also 1 and selling price also 1. You see, we had assumed cost price. Okay, cost price 1, then 35 book cost price 35, cost of 25 book, cost price of 25 book will become 25. Then according to question, selling price of now 35 book is equal to the cost price of 25 book. So it will become rupees 25. Getting me? Yes or not?
Understood, sir, understood. I will do, sir.
Okay, now you will do.
Understood, sir.
Then there the loss will come 10 rupees. Then you can say, okay, loss percent is equal to loss by CP
Sir-
into 100%. So rupees 10
Sir,
by rupees
question
35, 25 into 100% that we will be doing. Yes.
But the
So question
answer is
number
coming
5.
28 point something, sir.
Yes, yes, it will. Answer is how much I had said.
You said 40%.
You said 40, sir, but
And
answer is
matching
coming
40.
200 by 7.
Answer is how much?
200 by
40
Sir,
seven.
my answer also came 40 only, sir.
40 only. No, no,
In
no.
book
It
is
will
given
not be.
40 only, sir.
Will not be 40. Answer also given 40%.
In book.
Yes, sir, but answer is coming 28 point something, sir.
It will become, because CPE it will be 35 and loss is 10, so it will become 10 by 35 into 100%. No, 40% will not come. In book it is
200
given
by
40%.
7 will come, sir.
So it will become how much? 7 5 is 35, yes, and 20, yes. So 200 by 7. That will become
No,
7 to
sir,
the
not
40.
like that, sir. 10 by, I have done like 10 by 25 into 100, sir.
No, 25 it will not become, because cost price of 35 book is 35 rupees. So 25 it will not become. Because
Sir,
total cost
question
price you
number
have,
5,
right?
same.
So it will become 200 by 7. So answer it is given 40%, is it? Or
Yes,
this
sir.
7 to the 14. Okay,
40%
6,
given.
8, 20,
28
7 is the
point
56.
something.
7 5 is the
4
35.
by 7, sir.
And 7 7 is the 49. This it has not been given 28.57%.
The 40% giving, sir.
Okay, so then answer is wrong then. In that case, answer is wrong. The cost price
You
of
will do, sir.
25 book is same as the cost selling price of 35 books. Find the loss percent. So it will become 28.57. Yes, 10 books is loss out of 35. Yes. So okay, the answer will become 28.5%. Then in that case, answer is wrong if it is given 40%.
Sir, I am sending you a picture. Please check it is right or wrong.
Okay.
Both the places, sir, there is giving cost price only, sir. So, sir, whichever will come first, that will be consumed as a denominator, sir.
Sir,
No, how much book it has been sold, that much cost price you have to keep. 35 books it has been sold.
excuse me, sir. I got answer.
Yes. You got answer
Sir, I got
28.5%
answer. Yes,
or
sir. Yes,
40%?
sir. 200 by 7.
Yes. So this is only the answer in the book or 40%?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
40% giving,
200 by
sir.
7.
Okay, now not send. Okay, Rituja had sent. Okay. Let me see. Rituja, how much you had got? 40%?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. I
why
have
writing
also
with
got.
pencil? Don't write with pencil. Okay, so one book rupees 1 done. Okay, X, then 25X. Very good. Okay, CP of 25 books will become SP of 35 books given. So SP of 35 books is equal to rupees 25X. Okay, so according to CP, SP of 35 books should be rupees 35X. Yes, 35 books CP will become, according to CP, SP of 35 books should be 35X. Simply again write SP of 35 books is equal to 35, not according to CP, okay. Then loss is equal to 35X minus 5X, okay, 10X, okay. So 10X is loss out of how much? 35X. I think he has written over here below 25. It will not be 25. Now, if I am selling 35 books, I had bought it in 35 rupees and I am selling it in 25 rupees. That means 10 rupees loss out of 35 it is, not out of 25. Got it? So this is wrong. At last step, there
Not
should be below
understood.
35.
The base for profit and loss percentage always CP. No?
Yes, CP. So CP of what? 35 books
In the
sold, so 35 books CP will be there, not 25 books CP. Now just see, suppose I am buying 35 books and I am selling 35 books, so I will calculate my profit and loss on the basis of that 35 books only. I will not calculate only of 25 books. Just think, if it is you had bought 35 books in 35X and sold it only in 25X. So loss in how many rupees you will be calculating? You had expended 35X. So in 35X you will be calculating the loss. You had bought. So CP is 35X. Getting it?
Sir,
Yes.
so I have found it 40% answer.
How much answer?
Sir, 40% loss.
No, if by keeping 25 below, if you are getting 40%, that is not the right answer. Getting it?
Because every time when we will get
Sir,
lost,
take
then
example
CP will
number
be greater.
13.
Either it is loss or profit, always it is calculated in selling price, and selling price, sorry, cost price it is calculated, and cost price of what it is sold. If I am selling 35 books, then cost price of 35 books will be below, not only 25 books.
Sir, check example number 13.
Hello,
13.
sir.
Yes,
Your
sir.
voice is
Now
not coming.
200 by 7.
My voice is not coming for everyone, is it?
No, sir, coming.
Coming.
So I think our network is weak. 13. What it has been said, the cost price of 18 book is same as the selling price of 16 notebooks. Now just see over here what it has been said. Cost price of 18 notebooks is same as selling price of 16 notebooks. Here cost price, if you will see here it has been given X, then after 16, now the cost price of 18 notebooks is equal to CP of 18, CP is equal to 18X, because it is equal to CP of 18 notebooks. Okay, selling price of 16 notebook is equal to SP is equal to cost price of 18 notebooks. Therefore, the selling price of 16 notebook SP is equal to 18X. Okay, SP is 18X, but 16 book CP is 16X only. You see, 16 book over here also, 16 book over here also. So what will happen? Here there is gain of 2X, and CP of 16 book, because 16 is only sold, so 16 is over here. Got it? But
Yes,
here
sir.
how much it has been sold? 35 is sold, so 35 over there.
So, see, no, sir. Alternative method is more easy, sir.
Yes. So you can do
Alternative
alternative
methods.
method also. That is by keeping rupees 1 it has been made.
Yes.
There also 16 book cost price is 16, but 18 notebook selling price. Sorry, 16 notebook selling price is 18. Here selling price
Yes.
is 2 more. You see, 16 notebook it has been compared. How much it is sold, that much it is compared. Getting it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Rituja and
Yes,
others?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, question number
So
5,
in
sir.
case if it has been given in question that the selling price of 25 books is same as the cost price of 35 books. Okay, the cost price of 25 book is same as the selling price of 35 book. Okay, selling price is what happens? That is a smaller, yes, and cost price is bigger. So of course 28.57 it will be. If it will be there, the selling price of 25 books is same as the cost price of 35 books, then in that case it will become 10 by 25 into 100%. Understanding? Yes, Astha was saying something else.
So question number 5, sir.
Question number 5. Manan buys 9 pens for rupees 36 and sells them at the rate of 12 pens for 52. So what you can do is over here, either you can find what saying cost price of 1 pen,
Find, sir.
and then after 12 pen, yes, 1 pen is equal to 4, 36 by 9, that will come 4. Then 12 pens, it will become how much? 40. Then and selling
4.33.
price is 52.
Sir,
So
sir.
it will 4 it is, and then 12 for the 48. Sorry, not 40. Yes, say.
Yes, sir. That only I was asking, sir. 52
Yes.
divided by
So
12.
48, then it will become what? 4 rupees profit is there. So 4 by 48 into 100%. And okay, there will be gain percent is 4 by 48. So you can say 12 for the 48. So 12 divided 12 at the 96. So 8.3. Okay, 12 3 is 36 and 4 will be there. It will come something, 8 point something, it will come the answer. Yes. Is it clear?
Sir,
Sir.
it's giving sir 8.33,
Yes.
sir, but my answer is coming 8.25, sir.
8.33 only it will come when you will do 4 by 48, okay, into 100%.
4 by 48, why we will do, sir? Sir, SP of 1
Because
pen
the
will
price,
become
cost
48,
price of
sir.
12 pens is, cost price of 12 pen will become 48 when you will find them.
Sir, listen no, sir.
Yes, say.
Sir, here Manan buys 9 pen for 36, sir. Like we cannot find, sir, for means for 1 pen is equal to 36 divided by 9, then it will be RS4, sir. Like that.
Yes,
Yes,
like
4,
that
yes,
only
yes.
solve, sir.
And
Yes,
like that
sir.
only 4, then 12 into 4 it became 48, na?
Oh, yes, sir. For the same rate, no, sir. That's
And
why.
12 into 4,
Yes.
sir.
Because selling price of 12 it has been given, then you have to find the selling price of 12, cost price of 12, this also, pens also, so it is 48, so it becomes 4 by 48, and now when you will solve this, it will become 1 by 12, so 100 divided by 12, it will become 12 at the 96, then again 4 will be left, so 12 3 is
8.33, sir.
36, again, so 8.33% it will become.
So you solved no this question, sir.
Okay, just see. It has been almost solved itself. Okay. In process, if you will see, you can write like this. Here. Okay. Here. Cost price of 9 pens is equal to rupees 36. So, cost price of 12 pens is equal to rupees 36 by 9 into 12. 9 for the 36 is equal to rupees 48. Then you can say what? And selling price, selling, okay, n, and then after this selling price of 12 pens is equal to how much given? It is given 52. Therefore, gain percent or profit percent you can write is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100% is equal to rupees 4 by rupees 48 into 100%. Okay, rupees got cancelled. 4 1 ja 4, 4 12 ja 48. Then is equal to, you can write 8.33%. Got it? Yes? Clear?
Sir, but sir, I have done like this, sir. Sir, a CP of 1 pen will be 4 rupees by dividing, sir, and SP of 1 pen will be, sir, 52 by 12. Then it will come 4.33. After that, a gain of 1 point.
4.33.
Yes, sir, dividing, sir.
When it will be divided with 12, then 12 3 ja 48. No, 12 4 ja 48. And there will be 6 48 and 4 it is 52. So again, okay, 12.33 it will become, yes.
Yes, sir,
So
4.33.
4.33.
And sir, then after gain will be of 1.33, and then after gain
How
percent.
1.33? Only gain will become 0.33.
Yes, sir, 0.33 only.
Yes, rupees 0.33 by 4, then it in that case it will become how much? 33 by 4 it is, so it will, while multiplying it will become 33 by 4. Then in that case 8 for the 32, and then after there will be 1 left, so 8 1 the 8, so there will be slight difference in percentage in point,
Sir,
because
that
there
only,
you are
sir,
taking all values.
8.25 it is coming, sir, my answer.
Okay, no problem.
I also for 8.25 coming only.
Okay, if you will take out of 1, then it will be varying. If you will take out of 12, then you will be getting 8.33. No problem in that case, because there you are not taking all, because 8 point, there it comes 4.333333, it continues in that way. So many threes are left, only 2 threes you are taking. So the slight variation is there in the answer.
So
Is it
what
clear?
we do to denote when there are an infinite number of threes?
Sir, you have multiplied by 12, but I have found for
Like
1
this,
pen
sir?
only.
So for that case, for reducing that as of 12 also you can do, or 1 also you can do, no problem. Then in that
Yes,
case,
sir.
okay, in percentage slight changes in decimal, it will not be considered.
Okay, sir, and my answer is correct, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
8.25%. My coming, sir.
Okay, that also right. Okay. So any more doubt?
No,
I
sir.
don't think now there is any doubt. Yes. So here are additional problems on profit and loss. This all you will be watching and try to understand. And you will try to try this section and exercise 9.2 also. Okay, whatever the
Sir,
problem in examples or in exercise problem will be there, then again we will be discussing next day. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it all right?
Okay, sir.
Or
Okay,
it is
sir.
assuming like
Yes,
that
sir.
no, we are just traveling in very super fast train.
No, sir, doing, sir.
Okay, so okay. Of course, I am doing little bit fast to cover your syllabus. So I had just downloaded your attendance Okay. And now I'll be stopping recording and then I'll be ending the class. Okay.